I'm Ty with WTI, and this is my Utopia hair shears. I purchased these scissors because there was a time when I had to cut my own hair, and I wanted something that would not only be aesthetically pleasing, but also that would really cut with precision. I found these scissors to be super high quality, and I think they are a must have, especially if you're a salon professional. But if you are a person who styles your hair at home, these are such good scissors. What immediately caught my attention is the craftsmanship. I think that it is made with this premium stainless steel, and that ensures its durability. I love the black sleek look of them, and now that I've had time to use these, I really enjoy how sharp they are, how easy and comfortable they are to use, and that's my point of view.